(1.3.14). Let Fn is n and Gn is n to the power 1 plus sine n, where n is a positive integer. Which of the following statement is are correct? If you see the value of sine x, any value, it will be range from -1 to 1. -1 to 1. So you can write, since the value of sine n will always range from -1 to 1. So it will always range from -1 to 1. So sine x can have value -1 to 1. So it can have value as -1, 0, 1, like this. Lowest -1, greatest 1. Yeah, Vinay, correct. So Gn will be, when it is -1, then n1 -1 is n to the 0 is 1. Means sometime Gn time complexity will be constant. So we can tell that Fn is, okay, we are seeing, and Gn when sine n is -1. Now when sine n is 0, so it is n. Okay, so Gn can be n also, n square also, 1 also, n also. When sine n is equal to 0. Now Gn equal to n to the power 1 plus 1, n square. When sine n is equal to 1. So Gn can be 1. So Gn can be 1 n or n square. Now see which of the following statement is or are correct. So it is saying that, one is saying that Fn is big of g of n. It means Fn is smaller than equal to Cgn. So Fn is n is smaller than equal to C. When Gn is 1, then it is not smaller than Cgn. So it is false, because Gn can be 1 also. And Fn is omega of Gn. So it is saying that Fn is greater than equal to Cgn. So Fn is n, Gn can be n square. So then it will be not greater. So it depends upon the value. We can't say that Fn is big O of Gn or Fn is omega of Gn. Are you getting? So both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. So Binay what is saying? Binay is saying, so we can tell that Fn is theta Gn, which is not in option. So no, you can't say Fn is theta. Fn is theta Gn. So then if you say like this, then Fn should be 10 equals Cgn. It should be greater than C1 Gn. So when we can't say like this, no? We can't say Fn is equal to theta of Gn, because some cases G can be n square, no? Gn can be n square, which is not greater than. So depending upon the value of sin n, we can't say. See, first one is false. Fn is smaller than equal to Cgn. Gn can be 1. Gn can be either 1, n, n square. So if when Gn is 1, then it is false. Why it is false? Because when Gn is equal to n square. 1 is equal to 1. Yeah, 1 is equal to 1, but Fn is n na. Fn is n. Fn is big of Gn means Fn should be smaller than equal to C1 Gn. Fn is n. N is not smaller than equal to 1 na. Fn is not smaller than equal to 1. Are you getting? Fn will be n always. Fn will be n always, but Gn can be either 1 n and n square. Fn will be n always. N can be anything. See, this thing is clear. Gn can be anything, 1 n and n square. Till this point, is it clear? Please tell me whether it is clear or not till this point. So now see, Gn can have any value. Gn can have any value which can be either 1. We seen that Fn is n and Gn can be any value which can be either 1 n and n square. So now statement 1 is saying that Fn1 is big of Gn, means Fn should be greater than Cgn. Fn is always going to n is a positive number, but Gn can be anything, 1 n and n square. When Gn is 1 and n is a positive integer, so it is not satisfied. Now if you take anything, n equal to 2 to the power 1024, now see, it is not smaller than C1. You need to take any constant. If you say me that I will take 2 to the power 1024, so then I will increase my n to the power 1025. So 2 to the power 1025 is smaller than equal to 2 to the power 1024. Is it correct? No. See, Gn can be 1 n and n square, na? So see, don't think in that way, just only think. If Fn is n, then what is the big O of that? The leading term is big O of n. So can it be big O of 1? Because Gn can be either big O of 1, either big O of n, either big O of n square. So because of that, it can be either big O of 1. Statement 1 is incorrect. Moving to next question. Last one of asymptotic notation, 1.3.15, GATE 2017, 2 marks. I got C. Okay, let me solve the. So consider the following function from positive integer. The correct arrangement of the above function in increasing order of asymptotic complexity. See, you can, by solving the last 30 years question, one thing you can get from these things, that same type of questions they are asking. This type of question we are saying for the third time. They are changing only the value. So you can see how. That's why I say that previous year questions are very important. Same type of pattern they are going to ask every time. Only in 65 questions na, in 100 marks they are going to change the 10 marks questions. Means from 10 marks you can assume that 90 marks questions you will get like same pattern. Only in 10 marks question, that will be the toughest one. So that you can't, means I guarantee that most of the people will not able to give the answer of the toughest one. Okay, so we generally concentrate here. Okay, so if you do last 30 years questions na, you will definitely able to solve from this part. From this part, if you want, you need to be very much excellent and sharp, extraordinary like. So till now GATE haven't got any means student or anyone, even faculties like who got means 95 plus and 100. Okay, so now let us compare. Consider the following function from positive integer to real number. The correct arrangement of the above function in increasing order of asymptotic notation. So in increasing order we should write. So it is 10 root n n log n2, and another one is 100 n. So 10 root n n log n2 and 100 by n. Last one is 100 by n. Yeah. So you can write it as n by half. So take n equal to 2 to the power 1024. So here you will get 10 only. 2 to the power 1024 half you will get 2 to the power 512. Here you will get 2 to the power 1024. Here you will get 2 to the 10. Here you will get 100 by 2 to the power 1024. 0 point something you will get, because 1024 is very big number. You will get 0 point something. So you can say that this is list. So 10 by n is list, then this is list 10, then this is list log n 2, then this is list root n, then this is list. I think B na? Yeah. Understood?